I wanna talk about me and you. Hearing conversations so brand new, straight uncut, coming at its purest. In the game, but not trying to break newest. It's hidden track under all the moss, the parts, the merchandising cost from your Bosco or someone walk this way. Bias free in the place to be, cause the wrath will set you free. From film to food, whatever's happening today. Oh, when a heartbreak bring you new music, it don't always break even. DJ at the Q, you should be here leaving. Breaking in the booth, there's just so much to do. Fine with me, but you should be here. Yeah, you share music with the world. You should be here at the DJ at the Q as we watch that new band. Your reaction hasn't been, and she wouldn't let us cry on her shoulder. She just wants to dance.
Where you find that soul in the Range Rover. Where you find that soul in the Range Rover. Where you find that soul in the Range Rover.
Mic check, 1, 2, let's set the tone. Live on cue, yeah, we're in the zone. Q-cast vibe straight to your ear. Raw talk, real life, no smoke, all clear. Two friends just shooting the breeze. When you're going live with your favorites, please. City of two rivers, but more than that. KBO tradition, 2 decades, that's a fact. It's just fun to listen with your fans who can. Send them in via Twitter or text. Now you found the best of the best. I wanna talk about me and you. Hearing conversations so brand new, straight uncut, coming at its purest. In the game, but not trying to break newest. It's hidden track under all the moss, the parts, the merchandising cost from your Bosco or someone walk this way. Bias free in the place to be, cause the wrath will set you free. From film to food, whatever's happening today. Oh, when a heartbreak bring you new music, it don't always break.
gentlemen.
Welcome to Live on Cue, where we talk about people, places, events, and more. Know their stories and understand valuable insights from our selected guests. Listen and watch our live video podcast together with your QCast hosts. Live on Cue, only here on QCast. Next on Live on Cue. Ray and Andy, seasoned event hosts, a doctor and a former radio personality, bringing charisma, wit, and professionalism to every stage they step on. Saturday, May 10, 4 p.m. at Boss Gio Paris Restaurant in Muntasa, Doha. Only here on QCast.
All right, we're coming to you live from Boss Gio Pares. This is Live on Q on QCast. Good afternoon, Trixie.
Good afternoon, Francis.
How
It's
are you
nice to
doing
be
today?
back.
Yes, after a short vacation in the Philippines,
Yes.
right? Okay, this is a Mother's Day special, and today it's a very special day. Apart from it's a weekend, it's a Saturday, by the way. We have two special guests, which I would consider two of the top tier women
Definitely.
in the entertainment industry and events industry here in Doha, Qatar.
Yes, I'm a bit excited and nervous at the same time
Bakit?
having them with us. Oh,
Bakit naman?
hello, big names, ano ba?
Okay, all right. To give you a little bit of information about our first guest, okay, a powerhouse in Philippine radio and a celebrated voice in the Gulf. She made headlines for having the most listened to radio program and was hailed as an outstanding female DJ in the Queen City of the South. She was the voice behind the early morning staple on 94.3 Kabayan Radio. Oh, this sounds familiar. Charot.
Sounds familiar, right?
Okay. Alam mo yung mga adjective dito, but let me go straight. Let's give a warm welcome to one and only RJ Andy, of course. And we have another one.
Yes, before we put them on screen, along with her is a multi-talented professional whose expertise spans both in the academic and creative worlds. She holds a Doctor of Science
Wow.
of Psychology with psychiatric training from the American University and a licensed clinical psychologist. And she's not only an academic leader, currently she's serving as the head of the English language department at the British School, but she's also a successful entrepreneur as a
Wow.
CEO of Frank Events
Ginawa na
Doha.
lahat.
Oh my God, ano ba bang hindi niya kayang gawin?
Tumambling.
Let us- Oh my God. Let us all welcome Dr. Lay Bagsika with us today.
Yes. Good afternoon to both of you. How are you guys today? Such lovely faces we have here for Live on Q. You know what? We're on episode 37. It's been a journey
Yes.
for QCast, and today it's going to be so
37 na.
special because we have these two young ladies still.
Definitely.
Wow. So, pang
Two
37
beautiful
pala
faces.
to. Bakit last priority?
Baka
Ayoko na
number
kayo.
one.
Ito na nga, di ba?
Okay. Kumusta naman? Kumusta kayo?
Busog.
Taka muna. For those,
Pinakain nyo kasi kami una.
for
Akala ko
those
trabaho muna
watching,
before lapang.
for those watching, who's Lay and who's Andy?
Ito na talaga yung kinakatakutan natin.
Bakit tayo
Lalaban na talaga tayo. Well, it's an honor naman talaga
Yes.
because it's Mother's Day special.
Yes.
And alam mo naman tayo, mga ulirang ina. Diba?
Definitely.
So we are representing you guys.
Yes.
All the way
Not
from
me.
QCast. And live here sa Boss
Yes.
Gio.
Yes, ayan.
This is a day of revelation and reckoning at the same time.
Revelation. Nakakatakot. Uy, pumunta lang ako dito kasi magkaibigan tayo. Talaga.
No, what are you guys up to in the past few days, by the way? Because let's talk first to Lay. Because I'll go to Andy because I have a lot more questions for Andy.
Uy, mo ko tingnan
You've been out.
mo.
No, you've been out for like a couple of months now, and this is the
Yes.
first time you're live on a platform like such as QCast. So, to Lay first.
Well, basically,
Go
hindi
ahead.
naman talaga ako into live, testing or something.
Yes.
But since nasa theater din naman ako before in
Oh.
the Philippines, but into stage
I see.
performance. But kakatapos lang
Do
ng
you
graduation
sing?
namin.
Talaga.
Subukan ko na ba? Maghihintay ka daw.
Yeah, that's interesting. Okay.
Pilitin mo naman ako.
Sige.
Hindi, actually, kakatapos lang ng graduation sa school.
Uh-huh.
And, well, the usual thing, we do events.
Yes.
I just hosted a party yesterday. And nanay tayo today kasi
Yes,
off talaga ngayong Sabado. But usually ganun lang naman, no? Event organizing, hosting, school, and actually I just had sessions also with some of my patients.
I see. Okay.
Ang dami mong ginagawa.
Busy siya.
Oo.
Very light lang naman. Pero ang bottom line, natutulog lang talaga. Diba?
Okay. All right. Let's get to the most interesting person inside the room.
Teka lang, parang bias yata yung pagtawag mo kay Andy. Kasi inuna ka, no? Parang plano eh.
Dakota. Okay, so it's been 10 months after you left the station.
Actually, na-miss ka pala nila. Oo.
Parang
Nataka muna, paki-off na ng audio ng mga ano nyo.
Ayan na nga, di ba?
Ito, paki-off.
Paki-off.
Naririnig ko.
Di-off mo yan, babe.
Okay ko yan.
Kahit tanggalin nyo yung sound para makita nyo yung mga nag-hi sa
Yes,
inyo.
okay. All right. So let's go to Annie. Annie, what's keeping you busy in the past months? Yeah.
Well, I went to the corporate world.
Oh, interesting.
Okay, I don't want to drop the name, of course, of the company. And then, pero gumagawa pa rin ako ng mga events. Like, for
I see,
example, I
nice.
host events, mga corporate events, weddings. And then, for the past few months, medyo mas naging busy ako sa pagtitrain ng isa sa mga orchestra dito sa isang Christian
Ay,
community.
wow.
Yeah,
Nice.
because it's gonna be the first Filipino. Before it was first and only Filipino radio station.
Yes.
Ngayon, first and only Filipino
Filipino.
orchestra in Qatar.
Ang bongga.
Interesting.
Yes, ang bongga
I think I
nila.
saw it, na-post mo yun.
Aabangan
Yes.
talaga yan.
Oo. So it's ito yung mga isa sa mga bagay na nagpapabisi sa akin. And apart from that is, of course, hindi naman talaga natin kayang lisanin ang mundo ng
There's always this itch
and
that you have to
Yeah,
do it.
Parang pumanaw naman.
yung paglisan, nakakatakot. So, anyway, so nagpa-presenter din ako sa LLQ Lifestyle.
Okay. Nice.
Nice, yes.
Medyo
Nice.
may busy moments naman. But
Natutulog
more
ka lang
likely,
din talaga.
tambay lang din eh. Hindi ka gaya mo, ang dami mo pera.
Oo. Huwag mo naman i-announce, baka may mga musasama bigla.
Dok, kamusta?
Oo,
Yes.
natatakot ako sa
It
mga
might
ganun.
happen. Okay. All right. By the way, happy Mother's Day to the three of you.
Yay! Thank
And,
you.
Thank you. Happy
It-
Mother's
it's-
Day to everyone.
Alam ko sa akin.
Uy!
Same to you.
Mababati.
Huwag mo naman kumilituhin. Naka-live talaga tayo, di ba?
Well,
hirap
as a
na
mom, having to go through these kinds of career and you have to balance your time working, meron kayong mga side hustles, diba? At the same time, you also have to pay attention to the needs of your kids, right? How do you like strike a balance doing all these things all together? Diba? Parang mahirap yun as a career woman.
Wala, iyak na lang tayo.
Mauna ka na bilang kakahatin mo lang kay Baste.
I want to throw the question to all of you. I think you have like a
Sige.
common ground. Sige.
Si Mars
Start
kaya muna.
with Trixie muna.
Kakadarating lang naman niya from
Parang
Philippines.
host ako dito.
Ito lang yung sinasabi natin.
You cannot abstain from my questions. Okay, go ahead. Sige.
Ako
Sige
ba?
ikaw na.
Oo, Mars.
Well,
Simulan
ano,
natin. Yeah.
It's malaki na kasi si Sky. So yung anak ko, he's a 14-year-old kid and he's more on a fan na ng mommy niya. So every time may live tayo, he would support. And
That's
at the
nice.
same time, you know, he's been my inspiration to do more of this craft. Na I want him to see his mom as someone as successful. So I think that's how I balance it. Yung you keep the drive, you keep the passion.
Exactly, exactly.
Ay, oo, lumala.
And
Ang
thank
ganda ng
you.
tanong, ang ganda ng sagot. Okay, kailangan
Nakaka-pressure.
i-level up mo ng konti ngayon.
Uy, talaga.
Level up.
Next,
Contestant number
Andy.
2.
contestant number 2.
Sa akin naman, si Baste, aside sa attitude talaga siya na bata. Charot.
Gusto ko yun.
Well, pag sinabing attitude, hindi naman
Yeah, it's
kaagad
all about
masama.
negative,
Kumbaga,
okay.
meron siyang standards eh. Kumbaga, if you're late sa bahay sa pag-uwi, then you're not my mom. Ganun
Ay,
standards niya. Yes. Tapos, minsan, magtatanong yan kung saan ka na naman pupunta. Oh, why are you working so late yet you don't have any money? Yes, baby.
Very authoritative.
Di ba, chinika ko na sa'yo yan,
Correct.
yan. Kaya nasasaktan ako. Nasasaktan. So, anyway, I'm just kidding. Si Basta naman is from 8 months old. Very supportive na yan. Kasi wala naman siyang choice. Ako lang isang mama niya sa buhay. So, kasi, for how many years na ako nagraradyo, kasama ko talaga siya sa mga events, sa mga concerts, sa mga gigs. Kasi wala namang ibang nagbabantay. Kasi apart from being a mom, I'm a single mother.
Yes.
Uy, nagpaparinig ako.
Sabihin ko na ba?
Wow!
Tatawagin ko na ba?
Hindi, wag muna.
Uy, pigilan niya.
Wait, hold on.
Nasakot sa tenga ng mga tawa natin.
Since you brought it up, I have a follow-up question mamaya.
Maling-mali. Ikaw kasi sinabi ko na sa'yo, huwag mong sabihin.
Oo, masyado akong open.
Like, ikaw lang.
Okay.
Ako na ba talaga?
Lay.
Tapos
Lituhin mo.
Contestant number 3.
Can you drag the microphone closer to you?
I
Yeah. Okay. Go
Hindi,
ahead.
sa akin naman, very happy talaga ako and proud. For like, ilang taon na nga, Mars, that Safia is away from me. Like, I think when she was not even 1 year old now.
Wow.
So they had to go to Philippines. But then, surprisingly, and thank God, when she turned almost 3, nadala ko
Nadala
sila
mo
ulit
dito.
back to Qatar. And with her dad as well. And I'm very proud of her. Kasi, well, I'm not doing anything and parang, I don't know, but I believe talaga it is how we do parenting with our kids.
Yes.
And the reflection of the kids is actually because of their parents.
True.
Diba? But I do not, and I will never judge how do you do parenting with
Yes,
your
yes.
kids. Kasi wala naman tayong right. But for me, as I see my daughter, parang nakita ko din sa kanya yung sarili ko talaga. But I do not, huy, may papalakpak sa Diba ganon?
So, I love the answer.
Parang may biglang gumanon sa mukha.
Yes.
Pero, what I'm trying to say is, 4 years old pa lang yung bata, pero she's very responsible. Napaka sweet and ang talented niya din.
Totoo.
In fairness.
Namamana daw yan eh. You know what?
Uy,
Like,
Pero wala ka namang talent.
Tama naman
I
ka,
think 90% of the genes of the kids, they got it from their mom.
I
Tama ba?
exactly
Okay.
agree. Scientifically.
That is why.
Oo.
Okay.
Pero ayun, and napaka din naman, I'm not saying that I am a perfect mom,
No.
but I am trying to be one of
Yeah.
one of the best that I can for my daughter.
That's so nice.
And I thank you.
Thank you so much, contestant number 3.
Okay.
Viewers
Actually,
pala tayo, no?
si Trixie, she has a line of questions here. And then I'm pretty
Eto
sure
na
this
nga
was
yan.
given to
Guide
you ahead of
questions
time.
lang naman
So,
ito.
sige, Beb.
So, if
Ano
there
yan?
is something that motherhood and have ano ba yan? Nawala. Motherhood that taught you that no education or no school can teach.
Oh.
Ano yun?
That's a good question.
Hala, hirap naman.
Ganda.
Una kaya kasi mahirap.
Magbata-bata kayo kasi
Minamanipula na nga namin si Trixie ganyan. Sabi, magtagalog na lang ako. Huwag nang pahirapan.
Arabic daw.
ang hirap kasi Tagalogin.
Ma'am, pakitranslate na po.
Ang hirap. Yung katabi ko nga, bulong mag-Tagalog.
Kaya mo yan. Ano ba tanong mo? What
Number
was
2
motherhood taught you? Ano daw tinusan yun ng pagiging magulang na hindi nyo nakuha sa school o sa degree? Ayun. Ganun
Okay. Sa akin is, patience. Na kaya mo palang ibigay yung konting oras mo para sa sarili mo sana, para sa anak mo. And no education, no training could ever do that. Na kumbaga will make you realize that you can do things beyond what you can imagine. So it's more of patience.
I second the motion.
Ginaya na
Question number 3 na tayo.
Was there a time na kailangan nyo magtago just to have your own me time? Yung parang...
Alam, very guilty ako sa part na yan.
Ay,
Kilala niyo
talaga?
naman ako, di ba? But kasi, as I learned about this, talagang kailangan mo talagang bigyan ng oras yung sarili mo. Not because you're a mother or a father. Well, you can do both, especially you. Or to those who are single moms out there, kailangan mo talagang bigyan ng oras yung sarili mo. Kasi otherwise, mauubos ka talaga.
Kaya pala ako naubos, B.
Ayun! Pero wait lang, saan ka ba naubos? Ayan na nga.
tayo eh.
Pero yun nga, kasi ang dami kong naririnig with patients and with my friends na parang binuhos na lahat sa anak and nawala na ng time para sa sarili, di ba?
Nalotion
How
ba
can
sila,
you
no?
give your full self sa anak mo kung ikaw ay kulang ka, di ba?
So you cannot fill in an empty cup if you're not.
Corrected ba?
Filled in as well,
Oo, ganun. And a mother's love is immeasurable. Hindi mo yan kayang sukatin.
That's true.
And you will
I
see
agree.
kung gaano ang isang nanay mag-go beyond.
Exactly.
Siguro innate talaga. No, I know what, whenever I think about it, na parang it's really a gift to become a mom. And we are so
It
grateful
is.
na binigyan tayo ng pagkakataon to become a mother because not everyone can have the chance to
Yes.
Exactly.
Not everyone's a chance to bear a child in the first place. diba?
Exactly.
May mga taong
And
gifted.
whenever I see my child, parang lagi akong thankful and I am always telling her kasi very vocal ako sa anak ko that I'm telling her kasi she understands kahit ganun pa lang siya. I tell her na, hi babe, you know that I am so grateful to have you and thank you so much for letting me feel how to become a mom. Diba? Yun lang naman. I mean,
Sa round of applause.
Uy, pangalawa na yan, no? 2 points na ako.
Galing mo. Zero pa ako.
Let me go back to Andy.
Pwede ba number 2? Ang hirap naman.
Kasi Andy, I have this question in mind. Di ba, sabi mo right now,
Wag na!
May personal talaga siya.
right now, the doors aren't closed, right?
Of course.
Okay. But at the moment, being a single parent, what's the pros and cons?
Nang pipiliin ko, dapat mapera talaga.
Uy! Parang na nasagot mo, B.
Hoy, Andy, naniniwala ako dyan kasi love is not enough. A man, by the way, should know how to provide to a woman.
Mars, may pinanggagalingan ba to?
Wala naman.
Kailangan lang clear sa mga manonood.
Sa akin lang naman.
Oy, pero Francis, I
Sa akin lang
agree
naman.
with the Trixie. In this era, you really have to know your standard. And we just don't go beyond. Kasi,
We go beyond and above.
Ano ba naman ang kailangan pa natin kung if we can provide everything for ourselves?
Exactly.
Totoo.
And sometimes, ito din napapansin ko, kung meron kang standards, there's a negative attachment na parang perception ng ibang tao na ang arte niya.
Yeah.
No, you are just, kumbaga, putting a boundary. Kung ano yung para sa'yo, you value yourself. And
That's your right.
yes, and especially for single moms who've built themselves for like how many years kasi
Single moms, makinig kayo.
Oo, kasi before kang naging ganyan, you went through a lot of
Trials, pains.
mga struggles, yung doubts mo sa sarili mo, and then nung finally naka-recover ka na, are you going to give in yourself na naman sa taong alam mo naman na is not gonna be
Beneficial for you.
Yes,
Sa taong
exactly.
abonado ka na naman.
Ay, huwag na kayo abonado! Holo, ang sakit nun. Pero totoo yun, B.
Vice ganda ikaw ba?
Ito, parang naging bakla ka rin ba sa buhay mo?
Vice ganda ikaw ba?
Kapag tayo noon, syempre. May mga ganyang galawan.
Hindi naman natin inulit ngayon.
Huwag mo lang uulitin,
Parang
please.
uulitin pa rin.
Depende po sa sitwasyon. Ganon.
Hindi, kasi nga syempre.
Nagbibigay tayo ng advice dito.
Kasi syempre sa love, sabi nila, it takes two to tango.
Yes.
Diba? Kasi kung ikaw yung sasayaw dyan, hindi makakakuntimang.
Oo, diba? Kailangan mo kasama.
Oo, kailangan mo ikasama.
Pero gusto ko lang mag-elaborate ng konti. And I want to add something about that. Especially we Filipinos, I want to be transparent and straightforward na tayong mga Pilipina dito sa abroad, especially in the Middle East, they think na parang 90% of the Filipinos are single mothers. And they think, na, I mean, for them, it's normal na, ay, single mother yan, mayroon yung anak. And they think na dramatic tong mga to kasi may mga anak.
Yeah.
Too much
Why do
problem, my friends.
Where do you think
diba?
is the stigma coming from? Bakit ganon?
Kasi nag-abroad.
At
Sorry.
nakaangat-angat sa laylayan.
Exactly.
Totoo.
Kapag babae nag-abroad, it's either
God.
nagre-recover.
Hindi talaga yun yung
Single
fear
mom.
talaga.
Oo. Nagmamove
Or
on sila.
looking for a fam na makakatulong
I have
sa
no
pag-awan sa
idea
kanila.
that we have
Now, this is the idea.
Now you know.
Now you know.
Dapat kami na yung host nito eh.
Oo,
Kasi
diba?
yung host na idea eh.
Tama ba itong kinuha nating mga guests?
Ito na nga yung sinasabi namin ni Andy na pinag-isipan niyo ba itong mabuti?
Oo. Pinagsabay niyo talaga kami,
Hindi,
di ba?
but I want to clear this, Francis, talaga, that
I
it's
got
true. If you
Yeah.
will hear it from other nationalities, parang, bakit ganun tingin niyo sa mga Filipina? Kasi totoo naman, parang mga Filipinas are single mothers and they are too dramatic.
But
Ganun ba?
at least your guys are trying to erase that notion.
Definitely,
Every time you-
mag-away talaga ako.
Ako din, Mars, tayo
Oy.
pag-aaway ako. Ma'am, like, hello, kung karak din lang naman, wag na.
Di ba? Or KFC.
KFC ka dyan.
Salamat na lang
Yun
sa
na.
lahat.
It's not a paid advertisement.
Kaya nga. Ay, oo nga.
Wala.
Baka naman ha.
Let's go back to the
Ano kaya pa?
Next na tayo.
Okay.
So,
Mga ano.
being
Yeah, but-
successful in your careers as a, single mom and,
English na naman yung
di ba? Successful na kayo. Was there a time na pinapili kayo between your career and being a mom?
Maganda yung tanong niya. It's just that it's not para sa akin it's not really the term successful, I think. Siguro fulfilled kumbaga sa career, kasi kung sasabihin kong successful ako, then wala ako dito ngayon. Hindi ko papansinin si Francis. Shut up! Ano?
May attitude. Teka lang, napasok ko na talaga yung corona. Oo.
And I'm just joking. Kumbaga, para sa akin, fulfilled ako sa career kung saan ako dinala. Like, for 15 years, I've been working in the radio. So, kumbaga, dumating ako sa punto na grateful ako sa knowledge, sa mga taong nakilala ko, and sa privilege na binibigay ng trabaho ito. Siguro, ano nga yung question na? Wala ako.
Ang dami mo kasi sinasabi.
Oo.
Sabi niya, pinapili ka ba? Ang layo ng sagot mo.
Yung pagiging nanay and yung pagiging
Career.
professional fulfilled, dumating ba sa point na parang kailangan ko maging nanay pero kailangan ko pumasok sa trabaho. So anong gagawin natin?
Pinili ko yung dalawa. Kaya nga yung na-mention ko kanina, while 8 months old si Baste, dinadala ko na siya sa radio station.
Talaga? Paano pag umiyak?
Doon lang naman siya sa labas. Kasi may radio booth naman kami, be.
May docking tapes.
Anong tingin mo, karinderya? Open? Charot.
Di na.
Huwag ka umiyak.
Oo. Pero, eto nga, nakakatuwa. At a very young age, he's been very responsible already. Kasi parang 2 years old, 3 years old, napapansin na niya yung ginagawa
Yung
ko.
routine.
Oo. So, while nag-on air ako, pag alam niyang pipindutin ko na yung pag-on ng mic, gaganon siya. Gaganyan siya.
He's trained.
Yes,
Well
and then, well, dito nga, nung andito kami sa Qatar, I mean, sa previous radio station ko, sa Kabayan, before siyang mag-open sa door, titignan niya muna.
Kung nagsasalita
Kung
ka.
nagsasalita. After, parang gano'n na siya, parang built-in.
alam
Parang,
niya na.
pinwersa ko yung bata.
Well-trained.
Maging responsable. Pero,
It's called awareness.
pero para sa akin, buti na lang hindi ako dumating din sa puntong I have to choose because of course, yung pipiliin natin, yung anak natin.
Yes.
Diba?
It's
What about
it's a no-brainer.
Exactly.
Diba? Kahit sino naman
Oo,
pipiliin yung anak niya.
oo.
Siguro in connection with Andy's accomplished. Kasi, di ba, I mean, ulo. Mukhang gulay, mawawala ako sa tanong ulit. Well, actually, si Sophia, Mars, di ba alam mo naman, dinadala ko rin siya sa event.
Sa hosting.
Diba? And not only, I think not only our children, kahit sa mga ibang friends, narinig ko rin na when you are abroad and kasama mo yung anak mo, not because hindi naman ako single parent, but why not, diba? Kasi one way or another, it's a training ground.
Yes.
Exactly.
And you will see in the future, maybe she will like it or not, but we don't force them.
Yeah.
Exactly.
Diba? And
But in a way, you're trying to influence the kid, diba?
Exactly.
siguro unintentionally or without
It
knowing
was intentional all the time.
Si Lay pa ba? Intentional all the
Alam
time
mo
yan,
naman. Kilala niyo talaga ako, di ba? Oo.
The moment you bring the kid there, alam mo
Correct.
na. Meron ka ng intent to expose
But I mean,
the
seeing
kid.
her na, alam
Yeah.
niya na how to behave herself.
Yeah.
Pag nagkasalta si mommy, you have to just, sit down and
Yeah.
wait for me until I finish.
Yes.
Ganon. But, so grateful din naman ako na hindi ko din kailangan pumili talaga kasi it is my choice na kung pipiliin ko ba yung career or yung pagiging nanay ko, I don't have any option.
Yeah.
Kailangan natin kumain, anak.
Kailangan natin kumain.
Lalaban tayo, di ba?
Like,
Lagi ito sinasabi niya, may lover in tayo for today.
And actually, one of the what do you call this? Ito yung mga natin, struggles natin na dito bilang nanay, especially bilang nanay is how you're going to manage being a mom and a working mom, 'di ba? Kasi yun nga sabi ko nga kanina kapag ka off mo, you just have to choose to sleep.
Yeah, yes,
Tutulog mo na lang talaga.
Pagod ka na eh, katawang
Diba?
lupa.
Kasi it's truly draining.
Yes,
kahit,
that's true.
Kahit gusto mo pa rin lumabas and though lumalabas naman talaga ang person, di ba?
Kagabi nga di ba?
Uy, may mga ibisto, yung mga friends ko nanonood sila, di ba? Oo. Itago na lang natin yung mga ginagawa natin sa Thursday night. But what I'm trying to say is, I'm thankful ako for us talaga that we can still have our time for ourselves, for our career, and also for our me time as well, and for our kids, definitely.
since you mentioned you're both accomplished and fulfilled at the same time, diba?
Ayun na naman siya sa follow-up.
Hindi. Siyempre, doon tayo papunta. Leading
Okay.
question.
Alright.
I'm wondering, you have accomplished so much na dito sa Qatar. Probably, there's something in the pipeline you wanna do in the future. Or orchestra mo, it's something, diba?
Yeah.
Apart from it, what are your other plans?
Hello. Kahapon lang to nangyari. So, pero ayoko.
Pati
By
di
the
ako
way,
informed dyan.
okay lang pag di pa pwede i-divulge. That's fine.
So, syempre para sa akin, kumbaga andito ka na sa Qatar, it's an international level for broadcasters.
Stepping
no?
stone, right?
Yes, and again, grateful ako sa pagiging radio broadcaster for the past years. But sometimes you wanna level up pa.
Yes.
Kung ano pa yung kaya mong
Totoo.
gawin. And you wanna try, some other platform na pwedeng...
Discover what else you can do.
TV presenter.
Yes, ganon. Talaga nakakainis to.
Ano lang kaya sumagot para sa'yo, di ba?
So,
Okay.
ayun, kumbaga, syempre all the time may plano tayo eh. Kasi of course, wala naman tayong backup plan. We are the backup
yeah,
plan
correct.
as mothers, right? So, of course, lumalaki yung anak natin. So, we have to strive more pa. It's not for you to discover and to enjoy these things, but it's for baste. Like para sa akin, it's for baste. And sa pamilya ko na nasa Pinas, na mas mag-guarantee ko yung future nila. Kasi again, being an OFW, hindi lang naman puro pasaya tayo dito.
Totoo.
Maganda yung pagfo-photo upload natin.
Siyempre,
Minsan,
yung maganda
alam ka naman
tayo.
pangit yung ang pangit niya dun sa abroad. Ayoko naman ng ganun, di ba?
Sabihin nila, wala tayong pagkain.
Sasabihin lang, bakit na nag-abroad to pumangit? Huwag naman sana. So,
Naging
kumbaga,
tsaka.
oo. So,
Hindi pumuti sa sabon.
Kaya, oo. Ang expectation mo naman sa Pilipinas, di ba? Pumuputi
ka na ba? Oo.
Yung tubig daw may gamot.
Correct. Diba? So, kumbaga, yung pipeline para sa akin, all the time meron yan eh. Every year, I think siguro different phase, different timeline. Kung ano yung mga naging aspirations me before, like when you were 20s, I'm 25 years old. So, so kung ano man yung mga aspirations mo or kung ano man yung timeline mo before, nagbabago siya eh.
Nagbabago.
Diba? As time goes by. Kasi parang meron kang kailangang i-reach naman. Another goal naman. So again, grateful ako sa pagiging radio broadcaster. It's just that, kailangan mo pang i-check kung ano pa ba yung pwede or kaya kong gawin.
That's nice.
What about you, Doc Lee?
Ano nang itanong? Nawala. Ibalik niyo ko. Nasaan ka? Hindi, sa akin naman, totoo yun. And
Say, right
situation.
No.
Eto na ako.
Yung tanong ko, kasi doctor ka na din.
Hindi, yung pipeline kineme, di ba? Hindi, totoo yun na. Depende pa rin sa sitwasyon. Marami tayong plans, especially ako, ang dami kong wires. Ang dami kong gustong gawin sa buhay. Sometimes I'm always confused kung ano yung gusto kong gawin. But I don't have any choice, but I have to plan and choose what I really want to do.
Exactly.
And yun nga, depende sa sitwasyon. Pero apart from that, naisip ko pa din na maybe I can have my own clinic or though umieme naman ako ng private, di ba? Sabihin ko naman yung mga pasyente ko dito.
Pasyente niya ako.
Wala ko sinabi! Hindi ko sinabi ha. Kasi it's very confidential.
Yun.
Kung may consent naman.
Ay,
pasyente.
di ba? Thank you for letting the world know. Parang sagwa ng tawa natin sa live, no? Hindi, what I mean is,
Alam mo yung barometer ko, gumagano'n sila.
natatakot nga ako. Feeling ko sasabog na.
Okay lang yan.
Oo.
Meron tayong tultulan.
Binabalance
Oo,
ba?
mataas
Na
masyado.
makahinga. Oo, but to be serious, ako kasi I am a type of person that I don't really disclose my plan.
That's
Naniniwala talaga ako sa evil eye.
Yes.
My
totoo.
friend.
Oo, may mga ganon.
Ulitin mo ba, look at the camera.
Ipakifocus sa akin.
Pero may gusto siyang kausapin.
Oo, hindi. Naniniwala ba kayo dyan sa mga viewers po namin? Do you believe in evil eyes? Ako talaga, I really do believe in that.
Yeah.
Na,
Oo.
siguro ako, I will just give a hint, but I'm not gonna say it out loud. Ipapost ko na lang yung pag nando na.
Yes.
Diba?
Yes, that's
For example lang yung dumating yung kapatid ko. Actually, it's just really a dream for me to bring him here, but thank God. Yun nga, kasi parang nagkaroon ng mga problema, hindi siya agad nakapunta, and kasi maraming nakaalam. But then when we planned about it again,
Kayo na lang.
Na mas tahimik.
Oo, totoo yun. Di ba naniniwala din ba kayo doon?
Totoo yun.
Very pamahiin,
O, di ba? Baka may magulat ka na lang.
And then,
Parang may outside force kasi when you're planning something that everybody knows about it.
Then, alam mo, nung wala kaming pinagsabihan, baka nanonood yung kapatid ko ngayon, sabi ko, tayo na lang dalawa. Para kung mabiguman tayo lang nasaktan.
Yes.
Kasi the more you receive sympathy from other people, lalo mas mahirap mag-move on. And,
Exactly.
and even if you don't have to explain yourself, mapipilitan ka mag-experience.
Yes.
Kaya
Diba?
i-record mo na lang, tapos i-play mo na lang.
Oo.
Narinig nyo na.
And then, thank God, ayun na nga, dumating na yung kapatid ko. Doon ako nag-post, doon ako nagmaasim agad. Ay, dito na yung kapatid ko.
Bumongga ka kaagad doon.
Ganon.
Yes.
Ganon dapat. Hindi,
Bumongga, nagmaasin siya agad.
Di ba? Ipinost ko agad. Kasi i-post ko, maligwak na naman. Diba? But I mean, the bottom line is...
Nung nakalabas na immigration, pinost niya na agad.
Hindi pa Mars. So, nakalanding na.
Nakalanding.
Nung nandun na sa,
Yung na-release sila yung QID.
Oo.
So, yung nakatanggap ka ng metrash. Diba?
You have received,
Yes.
gano'n.
Oh my God.
Congratulations. And then, ang bottom line ko lang naman is, this is actually not only for me, but for everyone na
Yeah.
we can always have our plans ahead.
Yes.
Right? But, make sure na sigurado ka at alam mo ma-achieve mo yun before you, I mean, you can tell to somebody you trust the most, but not to many people.
Yeah.
Exactly. Parang work silently and then celebrate loudly.
Yeah.
Correct. Because not everyone is celebrating
That
with
your
you.
success
Tandaan.
is
Naniniwala
Make
kami ni
noise.
Francis doon sa
Yeah.
umpisa pa lang ng QCast.
Parang may pinagagalingan na naman to Mars.
Open forum ba to?
Hindi, di ba? Do you believe in that?
Totoo
Na,
yun.
na parang, i-chika mo na lang kapag ka nangyari na.
Yeah, yeah,
Kasi
yeah.
yung iba,
Yes.
marami talagang, hindi naman sa ano, pero marami talagang hindi natutuwa for us.
Yeah,
Totoo.
yeah. Yung kunyari, ano...
They think it's absurd. They think it's crazy to plan something like that. So, wag
Hindi
wag na, wag
yun,
na
Ben.
sabihin.
Yung kunyari lang concern.
Concern, oo.
Yes.
Nakikiusyoso.
Yes.
Parang iba yung may pag ano pa.
Parang pinaparinggan ka niya. May issue ba kayo?
Pero yung pala,
Yung pala.
sinisi-I ka na.
Oo.
Yes, totoo.
Ine-evaluate ka
Yeah,
din, di ba?
Tapos
Totoo yun.
nag-aalay na ng dahil,
But
tinutusok-tusok
yun nga.
Nagpapausap.
May pudo dahil. May we,
Huwag matutuloy.
may we manifest talaga yung mga
Yeah.
desires
Yes,
natin.
yes, yes.
Yun lang
Naniniwala kayo sa manifestation?
Oo.
Correct.
Ako din.
Ako din. Yung visualize mo kung ano yung mga plano
And
mo.
when you claim it, you declare it.
Kasi parang may vision board ka.
Totoo.
Correct.
So if you manifest it, parang yung whole system mo is nakafocus ka doon. So you
Nakafocus
make it
doon.
happen.
Oo.
So parang ganun. So
And
tapos
you're
na tayo.
also, you're also inviting
I still
positive
have
energy.
questions for you, by the way. It's
Ayun na.
out of this world questions like weird ones. But before we go there, let me say hi to a couple of people watching right now.
Ay, maraming
Si
mga
Angel
friends
Aguilar,
natin dyan.
sabi niya, hi Doc. Ayun.
Hello po.
Cher Will Solon, watching from Manila. Of Rationes, shout out to Alcebach QA129.
Yes,
Go
hello
Andy.
po.
Go Dr. Lay. Yan. Iba rin, sabi ni Kat Jimenez.
Mars. Shoutout ko lang yung Mars ko. Okay lang ba?
Yeah.
DJ Kat
Go ahead.
Jimenez, one of the
Oh,
best
yeah.
female DJs in Qatar.
Oh, yes.
Exactly. Hi, Mars.
DJ Kat.
Punta kami
Pupuntahan
dyan.
ba mamaya?
Pupuntahan ka ba na? Saan ka? Wait lang. Anong schedule ni Mars ngayon? Kasi ano siya, Cavali, Maharlika, and Shanghai. Saan ka Mars ngayon? Ano bang araw ngayon?
Yung sa may
Sabado.
pagkain.
Ay,
Shanghai. Pinarinig niya Shanghai. Sabi niya, parang doon tayo sa pagkain pupunta.
oo. Parang Maharlika yata si Mars. Anyway,
Okay.
see you. And at Sis Angel and Sis Blue and
Hello,
to all,
Kat.
everyone.
Ang daming
Thank you so
fans
much
ni
for
Mars.
watching.
Pero
Sabi
marami
ni,
nag-hi sa'yo. Chikahin mo na.
Sabi ni
Yung ex
Gracia.
mo daw nasa...
Wala akong ex.
Ay, wala ba?
Sabi ni Gracia po, wait lang. Hello QCast, hello Ma'am Lane, Andy, kaya din pala, kaya din pala maubos?
Wala ko naubos din siya. Pagpahinga
Ah,
ka,
okay,
Gracia.
okay.
Oo.
In relation to what you said earlier.
Oo,
And
mauubos
happy Mother's
ka.
Day to
Gracia,
all the
magpahinga
wonderful
ka, ha?
women.
Ay, oo.
Diba? Totoo yan.
Boss Noel. There's a lot more. I hope you can go back to the comment section
Yes,
later.
Adrian Mayo is also watching with us. Hi, Sir Adrian.
Hello po si Adrian.
Napaka-active nyo.
Blooper straight, I believe po, sa mga sinabi namin.
Hello, Ate Blue.
I believe too. Charot.
Hi, Nicole also.
Sabi, Chlorine pala, meron siya tubig, sobra kaya nakalagas ng buhok.
Bakit pag si Francis nagbabasa, hindi ko siya maintindihan?
Ako din. Parang walang laman yung sinasabi.
Hindi ko nabasa kayo sa comment section.
Lagyan mo naman siya ng buhay.
Ang hirap na hirap problema sa kanya. Pag Tagalog,
Siniraan
nahirap
yung
na hirap.
host.
Oo.
Last nyo na to.
Auntie Frankie, my Sisi, hello.
Okay.
Yes.
Wow.
Hello, Sir Frank.
This is such a nice discussion. You know what? I'm so thrilled to hear a lot of thoughts from these two young ladies, di ba? Parang nakaiba.
Ay,
I mean,
gusto ko yung young.
We're all young at heart. Kasi it's not every day we get to interact with them, di ba? Yung mga usapan natin usually mga kalokohan lang. But we talk about deep thoughts and, you know, yung mga profound...
Para hindi ka
Kasi
paniniwala
ginalwala
pag
kasi
galing
kami.
sa
Ginudge na. Kaya po ganyan si Francis ngayon kasi ginudge niya na kami. Kaya pang 37 na kami sa lineup. Tapos pinag-isipan pa talaga nila. Di ba?
Oo. Tsaka gusto na lang nila na isang bagsak na lang ang yung talingayan. Kaya sinabay
Pinagsabay
tayo
kayong
ngayon.
dalawa.
Di ba ang saya?
Oo.
Sabi nila mamaya, maling-mali na inimbita natin yung dalawa na yan.
Naka muna, we'll take a quick break. We'll breathe for a while.
Ay, bakit mag-break?
Ayun pala, hindi namin pwede yan.
You guys,
Huwag tayong
stay
titigil
where
to.
you are.
Take a break. We'll be right back.
This June 6, magkita-kita tayo upang ipagdiwang ang Kalayaan 2025. Isama ang buong pamilya at ibarkada at mag-enjoy sa aming mga programa. Singing contest, dance competition, awards and recognition, musical and cultural performances, motor show. Plus, isang TFC kapamilya artist ang pupunta sa Doha para makisaya. Save the date, June 6, 2025, Friday, sa bagong location, Regency Halls, Deering Road. Marami pa kaming sorpresa, kaya kita-kits! Kalayaan 2025, a Philippine Independence Day celebration in Qatar. Brought to you by SGE Events. SG Events P-Back, supported by Boss Gio Paris Restaurant, proudly present this year's Intertown Basketball League. SG Events Basketball Cup 2025. Champion gets 10,000 Qatari Riyals and runner-up gets 4,000 Qatari Riyals. For mechanics, call 5006-1008. And for registration, contact SG Events at 7099-9464. What are you waiting for, Kabola? Register your team now and represent your hometown with pride. Games will be held every Friday at the UDST Multipurpose Hall as part of Pinoy Basketball Qatar, proudly supported by Boss Gio Paris Restaurant. Next on Live on Cue. Ray and Andy, seasoned event hosts, a doctor and a former radio personality, bringing charisma, wit, and professionalism to every stage they step on. Saturday, May 10, 4 p.m. at Boss Gio Paris Restaurant in Muntasa, Doha. Only here on QCast.
Welcome back to Live on Cue.
Hey, back here on Live on Cue. It's now 5:39 in the afternoon. By the way, this is brought to us by Boss Gio Paris, Qatar, and of course by JC Barley. Thank you so much for sponsoring our show this afternoon.
Yeah.
Maraming salamat to Kuya Jovan for allowing us to use the venue today. And by the way, don't forget, on June 6, 2025, we'll have the Philippine Independence Day celebration here in Qatar. which is spearheaded by SGE, and it's brought to us by Tinbo and JC Parley.
Nice one.
We have a
And
TFC
the
artist
location?
coming over.
Oh yes,
Wow.
watch out for it. And
Next,
that will be
hindi ko muna sasabihin.
in Regency Hall.
Wala pa ako clearance, yeah.
Tama ba?
Okay.
In
At the
Regency Hall,
yes.
Deering.
Yes, Deering Road. It's gonna start at 10 a.m. until 10 o'clock in the nighttime. So, hope to see you guys
Wow,
there.
yan naman tayo sa mahabang programa
Yeah.
nyo, ha?
Yes.
Oo naman.
Iba-iba yan.
Di ba ipapahinto yan?
Iba-iba. Meron tayong...
Uy, wag po. Maging considerate ka naman.
Cultural.
Andito yung
Andito
napahinto.
kami. ay, sorry. Oo pala.
Look at
Nandun kami.
Napaka-random.
Napahinto
Sarap
pala.
yakapin sa leeg.
Napahinto pala dahil sa inyo.
Kasi ang dami kong chika doon.
ang daldal mo kasi.
Yes, I know. And I'm proud.
Ang dami mo kasi sinabi na wala doon sa listahan.
Yes. So, syempre, pabida ka. Minsan lang mag-Philippine Independence Day.
Diba? Tuloy last na yun.
Ano kaya ba?
We will kick off with a cultural musical presentation.
Yes.
And then we'll have a singing contest. We'll have a dance competition. We have an awards night for the fraternities here in Doha.
That is right.
Wow.
And in the evening, we'll have an awards night as well for the car show. And of course, we'll have the TFC hour where we have an artist coming from Dubai. So kung sino makinig sa Dubai, probably he or she will be the artist coming over here.
That's
That is right.
nice.
Nakadali na yung mga gowns.
Yes,
Kasi magagawan
so-
tayo sa gabi.
Magagawan ba?
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah.
Ay,
naman,
oo.
I'd be
Kasi
in
awards
my
night, diba?
black shirt.
Ang gay lang ka dapat.
Runner tayo that
Marcel,
day.
alam mo na kailangan mo akong pahiramin ng gowns.
Correct. Laban ka dun sa walking.
Let me raid your closet.
Okay.
Wala talaga akong closet, Mars. Nakahang lang ng sabi lahat.
All
Hanging
right.
closet.
This time we have a new segment. This will be called...
Wait lang!
Hello!
May segment!
Hoy, wala tayo pag-usapan na ganyan.
I have 5 Qs. Okay, so it's like
Okay.
5 Q questions supposedly, but it's 5 CUEs. So it's
Okay.
5 Qs. And since you're the first guests, okay,
Yes. Kayo ang
kayo ang
well naman.
unang sasagot ito. Okay,
Kayo mag-ribbon cutting ng
let's
5
see.
Qs.
Ay, bongga.
Eyes on the screen. Here we go.
Hindi ako makakita.
Wait
babe.
lang.
Wait lang.
Wala akong
Okay,
lenses.
5 Qs. First question is, if animals could talk, which one do you think would be the sassiest or most disrespectful? Wait, hold on. Ulitin
hirap.
natin. Okay, ulitin natin.
5 cubes. Okay,
Yes.
here we go.
Okay. If animals, who would be the sassiest and who would you keep as a pet?
It's always cats.
Yes, cat
Cats.
for me also.
Yes.
Sassy,
Why
yes,
cat?
no?
Oo.
Kasi kahit kahit wala ka namang ginagawa sa kanila, iirapan ka niya.
Oo, diba?
Tapos sasabihin ko, ako nagpapakain sa'yo, ba't ka ganyan?
A fun fact about cats, they actually a reflection of your character.
Talaga ba? Saan mo nakuha
Ay,
yan?
mabait pala yung pusa.
I-google mo.
Totoo.
Pusa yun ng neighborhood.
Di ba, ano ba nga?
Di pa ako tapos.
Very tame kasi ang pusa talaga. Parang opposite natin ang attitude natin yun. Bilang may pusa tayo pareho.
Hindi, kasi yung neighbor ko, meron ng pusa, so dumadaan ako doon, iniirapan ako.
So kaya pala dala-dala mo yun dito.
Yes.
Oo. Pero very soft kasi ang pusa talaga. Like, ano, hindi mo inaano.
Plastic.
Mars, naalala ko yung galit na galit ka kasi tumakas yung puso.
Oo.
Buong gabi siya sabi niya doon sa labas naman,
Hindi naman kasi ano yun, hindi yung askal na, ano yung askal na pusa? Meron ba askal na pusa?
pusakal.
Puskal.
Puskal.
Let's go to the
Pusikat
next
yun.
one. Let's go to the
Okay.
next one. Okay.
Next question.
Here we go.
Alang
What's the
hirap.
strangest thing you've ever done with a spoon?
Ay,
I just wanna clarify, before or current?
or you want in the future? Kasi I'm planning something about it. Ay!
Live tayo, guys. Live tayo.
Ang hirap! Huwag niyo sagutin! Wait lang, kasi si Andy. Past, present, hanggang sa future ako, di ba?
Wala kayo.
Kinakabahan ako sa mga ganyan.
Uy, ang hirap, pero kapag...
Pinagpapawisan na ako.
Aside sa ginagamit sa pangkain. Hala!
Uy, per effective.
Hindi mo tayo mawala ng lisensya dito.
Let's keep it
Yung mga nasa Pilipinas po, paki-spare lang po kami ngayon.
Nakakainis. Last air na pala, no?
Come on. Sige na. You can think of
Ikaw
something.
na.
Uy, ang hirap.
Ayoko. Baka maano
Huwag mo
ako.
naman ako pilitin.
Alam mo yung bunganga ko, di ba?
Baka masira yung reputasyon ko dito.
Pambatok sa bata.
Weirdest? Well, it's not weird pala.
Sige, ikaw
kasi very
muna.
clean naman. Very clean! Yung intentions ko are always pure naman, no?
Unfiltered.
So, parang ginagayan ko lang siya sa...
Ay na!
Palalamigin mo.
Palalamigin mo. Yes,
Gagawin mo.
ganyan.
Kilala ko yung grupo mo, gipa mong roller.
Yes! Ganun lang ang ginawa.
Okay, sa mga
Ako
viewers
naman.
namin, ginawa po niyang roller sa
Yes.
face.
Ako naman, diba? Ito, ano ka lang to, imbe-imbento. Diba? Ginawa ko siyang ano, yung pang pony ng buhok.
Ay, hindi totoo
Sino
yan.
yan?
Iba yan.
Wala akong maisip. Pero yun lang talaga, wala naman akong weird na ginagawa.
Isa ka pa ba?
Wala pa
Ayun
naman.
lang, I have
Teka,
5.
isa
That's
pa daw
5
siya.
you say.
May
Second pa lang tayo, di ba? 5
Go,
keys.
go.
I never thought the questions would be this kinky.
Oh my God. But I love this house.
Huwag na lang gabi na sa
Alright,
Pilipinas.
let's go to the
Tulog
third
ni anak
one.
ko.
Okay,
There
here
we
we go.
Okay. Third one. If you had to replace your hands with kitchen utensils, what would you pick and how would you live your life?
Kitchen utensil.
Sandok.
Okay.
Pambata.
Wala akong alam sa
Hirap.
kitchen utensils.
Kasi order ka lang ng
Hanggang
order.
spoon lang ako.
Spooning lang ba alam mo? Spooning! Paggamit ng spoon.
Yeah.
Diba? Ano, di ba ginusto mo to, Francis? Wala to sa usapan natin, diba?
Any answer?
O, ikaw na mauna.
Mahirap.
Mars, ang init.
Kitchen utensil.
Oo.
Spatula.
Ano yun? Hindi alam.
Ano nakita nung uli?
Kasi yung alam ko, cutlery eh.
Baga may table etiquette. May table etiquette. Tumigil ka, nakakamay lang ka lang.
Ayoko yung mga basic words.
Oo.
Oh my God. diba?
Siguro ako, magiging na ako, wire whisk.
Ano yun, B?
Ay, hindi ko rin alam eh. Parang narinig ko
Maganda
lang.
pakinggan. Basta maganda siya pakinggan.
Pang-beat,
Okay,
diba?
okay, pang-beat.
Charing.
So,
Ang
yun
hirap
ka.
naman kasi.
Okay.
Next question
Di ba
na
wala ka
tayo.
din sa
Wala din.
Si Andy, yung sagot ka.
Wala nga daw siya.
Hindi siya nagluluto.
Cutlery daw siya.
Sige.
daw.
Next one. Okay. Diba? May bago tayong segment. Di mo alam to na.
Sa amin mo pa nilunch, no?
Okay, this is a good one. What's your zombie apocalypse survival plan if it started right now?
Ay, hello! Bakit ako nag-iisip ng ganyan, B? As an overthinker.
Okay, I want to listen to it. This is
Gagagawa ko na ka, go.
Okay.
Lumaban ka
Alright,
dyan.
may zombie ngayon. Anong
Uy,
survival
yung
plan?
hirap.
Yeah.
Actually, may mga imagination pa nga ako na mag-iipon
Yes.
ako na bibili ako ng armor van.
Mm.
First yan. Of course. Kasi
Kakanood mo yan ng mga Korean
Oo, alam
zombie
ko.
enemy.
Kasi kung naka-sedan ka lang, wala na, babe. Di ba? Lulusot lang yung kamay doon, wala ka na. So,
Okay.
armor van, tapos di ba sabi nila, sa mundo naman, merong mga hidden, anong tawag doon? Tunnel sa baba.
Oo, yes.
Oo.
Hahanapin mo sila.
Yes. Actually, naghahanap na ako ngayon. Hindi nila alam. Isa ito sa mga nasa pipeline.
Plano mo pala talaga yun.
Yes!
Pero I mean,
Tunnel.
parang hindi naman siya imposible with everything that's
Yeah,
going
yeah,
on,
yeah,
diba?
yeah.
Especially when COVID,
When COVID
diba?
strike, talagang
Diba?
parang there's a big possibility
Exactly.
to happen.
Exactly.
Ako yung nakita ko yung pyramids of Egypt. Sabi ko, baka dito pupunta kapag nag-zombie apocalypse na. Sabi ko, ang lalim eh.
Exactly,
Alam mo, hindi na ako makaahon nung papalik na ako galing dun sa mga tombs nila.
But I think for me, I'll stay in the water. Kasi nung napanood ko yon, di ba? Parang
Tulunod sila.
hirap sila sa tubig.
Paano kung nakakagat sila ng isda tapos naging zombie?
Yung
Ay, di-
uy, napanood ko yun ha. Naging zombie.
Ah, di ba? Oh,
napakalala
wala
ng
ka.
utak.
Maging overthinker
Hindi doon ka na nga sa tubig, basta huwag kang ano.
Ako
huwag kang
gusto ko
lulusong.
matrap sa mall.
Bakit?
Kasi may pagkain lahat eh.
Andun
Okay.
lahat. May
Parang
unan.
you
Eh,
have
di ba sa mall nagsisimula? Yung nakita kong season. Sa mall lahat nagsisimula, B. Huwag ka
Kasi
doon.
for example,
Hindi ka safe doon.
For example, clear na yung mall. Diba?
Okay.
Parang it's a good place to be trapped kasi
Totoo.
may mga...
Or pharmacy din na may parang
Oo,
makala.
yun.
Ganun.
Pwede.
Mas
Basta
bet ko
pagkain.
sa Cartier Boutique.
Or sa
Namili.
Paglabas, punong-puno ng Cartier, no?
Diba? Cartier boutique. Grabe naman.
Andun lang ako sa kabila sa Tiffany, ha?
Yung maluho ka pa rin, no? Na mamamatay ka na lang.
Kahit kagat-kagat mo na lang yung Cartier. Cartier. The watch you can't resist. Ganun, diba? Kaloka.
Di ba? Oh, kaya pa yung mga questions
Okay.
mo. Ilaban mo.
Last one.
Last na to.
Okay.
Sige, wag kang
5
titigil
keys.
dyan,
Question
ha?
number 5.
Last question eh.
Yes.
Okay.
Name a celebrity in your contact list right now.
Ay!
Hoy,
Wala.
yung kalibo ko.
Wala tayong ganun.
Hindi
It's
po
okay.
kami, Huwag mo naman kami pilitin,
Pero
Francis.
walang issue, right?
Wala naman.
Sino ba wala naman ako kasi lahat ng friend ko artista.
Oo, nag-film pa nga.
DJ Mars Cat.
Diba?
Napagkitin ko naman si Kat.
Okay.
Oo.
Pwede.
Si DJ Kat.
Oh, di Mars
Sige,
agad, di ba
Mars na
nga?
rin, diba? Oo.
Okay, I have a couple. Ma'am Beverly Verhel,
Okay.
Miss Chicky Pineda, Patrick Guzman.
Para sa kanya talaga ito. Ginamit mo lang kami talaga as instrument.
Gamitan.
Ako si Sir Wawi de Guzman. Maka-Viber kami noon.
I don't know if
diba?
you guys know Aurora Halili from Along the Reels before.
Okay.
She's also a good friend.
Mga panahon mo talaga to, Francis.
Parang di namin sila masyadong naabutan.
Panahon na kasi Justin Bieber na ako, Hindi na ako makarelate. O, ikaw, Lay.
Ano?
Sino artista ang nasa phone book
Puro artista kayong mga friend ko, puro mga maas. So, hindi ko na lang babanggitin. Para sa kanilang, privacy.
Hi to one of the greatest magicians of Qatar,
Yes.
Sir Butch
Ay,
Gonzalez.
Kuya Butch, we miss
Hi,
you.
Sir Butch.
Kamusta naman dyan sa Canada?
Thank you for watching.
Nasa Canada na si Sir Butch.
Okay, all right. Let's go back to some serious talk this time. Sige. What is your message to the entire,
Ayan na.
I would say, to your fan base pala, followers?
Followers.
Ano yung mga message sa kanila?
Ako muna.
Supporters, probably like your friends, family members, and so on.
Siguro for me, I would like to say thank you sa kanila for always trusting me, Ems.
Yes.
And believing in me na, that I can always help. Yun naman din yung, for me, alam mo naman Mars Trixie, di ba? My mantra is, even if it doesn't involve money, as long as I can extend my hand, kaya naman natin i-work things out.
You really have a good heart.
Kahit alam ko namang alipin ako ng salapi, meron naman din akong limitation and boundary when it comes to, if I really want to help.
That's nice.
Mika, asan yung palakpak, please?
Ito na.
Ayun na.
Sa akin, mas gusto ko yung mellow na emotional song.
Nag-request. Wala pa siya noon kasi hindi pa niya nakakabili ng subscription.
Hindi ko na-program yun for that anyway.
Hindi ka naka-pro.
Pro Max.
Alright. How about you, Andy?
Sa akin naman, syempre alam naman nila lahat, especially nandito sa Qatar na nawala ako sa radyo. Again, it's a choice, personal choice ko yun kung bakit. And again, I'm always grateful with Kabayan Radio for giving me the platform kasi kahit naman sang tignan, hindi ako makakarating sa Qatar kung hindi dahil sa Kabayan Radio. So, always ako grateful sa lahat ng support and guidance na binigay nila sa akin. And to all of the listeners na mga followers ko na din, na kahit naman wala ako sa radyo, yung kumbaga, yung mga nagme-message sila pa rin sa Facebook page ko na saan ka na, Andy, kumusta ka na, when ka babalik, ganito, ganyan. So, parang, papasalamat lang talaga kasi kahit naman na hindi ka naka-ere, alam mo yung suporta andun pa rin. Like for example, if you are presenting something or kung nakita ka nila in an event, ganun pa rin yung mga sasabihin nila na we miss you. Yes. Kumbaga, always thankful ako at grateful ako sa lahat ng mga followers natin dito sa Qatar and of course sa Pilipinas for kasi sila naman talaga ang rason kung bakit tayo talagang afloated pa rin. Kumbaga, kung bakit andito pa rin tayo.
At saka, malalaman mo talaga kung sino talaga yung nakakaalala sa'yo kapag wala ka na sa limelight.
Exactly.
And when you are hibernating.
Exactly.
Gusto ko lang din palang, I am really, really grateful to my sister Frankie, Frankie Vensdoa for giving me the opportunity also to alam mo yun, to shine bright like a diamond. Ganon. And, hi sis Nicole. Ay bala, singit-singit ako sa mga friends na sorry. Pero yun nga, for me, napaka-grateful ko dun sa mga friends natin and yung mga naging clients din natin sa events and different fields na for always remembering us kahit hindi na tayo nakikita up on stage and holding the microphone.
Yes, that's so true. Yeah, we always have to thank these people because they're the one trusting us to do their events, diba? So without them, we won't have anything on the side.
Exactly. Wala tayong part-time.
Bilang host talaga kami lahat ng mga
gigs dito.
Actually, mga alipin po kami.
So alam niyo na po, nandito po yung apat. Text niyo lang po kami.
And by the way, if they need to book you for an event,
Tapos
where
na ba
can they
tayo?
find you?
Tapos na ba?
Matapos, wala pa part 3.
Wala, ang bilis naman.
I still have an event up there.
Alas, uy, maawa ka kay Francis. Yeah,
Parang nabalitaan ko lang sa may 2 hours sila na ano.
Bakit
na
naging
on
1
air?
hour lang kami?
Tapos puro issue lang naman pinag-usapan nila.
ngayon lang kami?
Ngayon tayo, ang ganda-ganda ng usapan natin, tapos kinakat mo na kami.
Pinapauwi na, be.
Hindi mo naman natanong yung mga, if you will be given a chance.
Ay, wala na din ako masagot.
At teka lang, meron ako isa pang question.
Sige,
So,
Mars.
not that really a question, but anong message ninyo para sa mga OFW mothers na nandito ngayon? You know, ang hirap kasi pag malayo ka sa anak, and you know.
Para sa'yo ba to, Mars?
Oh, pwede rin, Mars. Nakaka-uwi ko lang.
Pero ang hihingi ng advice in a way na kunwari.
Pwede mo naman ako i-message, Mars.
Text na lang, di kita ba? Pasyente na rin ako.
Okay, go ahead, Mars.
No, yun. For mothers who are far from their kids and those mothers who are trying their best as single moms, anong message ninyo sa kanila?
To all the mothers out there.
Ba't biglang
Ay,
seryoso?
hindi ganun. Back to Doktora mode. Hindi. We know that we all go through something. Lahat tayo may pinagdadaanan. And though iba-iba lang yun ang level. May leveling talaga.
leveling yan.
But it is how you're going to manage it and how you're going to face it. Know that it's okay not to be okay. And meron tayong time for ourselves. You have your own time. Do not be pressured. Take your time. And bigyan nyo lang ng oras yung sarili nyo. Time to reflect, discern, and think about of all the decisions. Kasi mahihirapan tayo kapag when we are in the peak of our emotion and we decide on something, we don't want to regret it at the end of the day. Know that we are all beautiful in our ways. And may kanya-kanya tayong may kanya-kanya talaga tayong strength. And you'll be surprised one day na yung akala mo hindi mo kayang solusyonan, is ikaw lang din pala yung makakasolusyonan. So, be also aware of the people who are trying to help, but the intention is not clear. Diba? So, yun nga, minsan kasi akala natin maraming gustong tumulong, but then, yun nga, we just have to be vigilant then sa mga sa mga intentions.
Be careful and be cautious with the people you
exactly.
confide.
But know that you got you. And when you're not okay, it's okay to ask for help.
It's actually for you if you're watching.
Diba? It's for you.
For
you
you,
can
for your
you
friend.
can do it. Oo, you have to stand. Wala tayong choice but to fight for it. So go ahead, mama. You got it.
I like the line when Lay said na it's okay not to be okay. It might sound so cliche for most people, but if you dig deeper, yun norm
we all
yun
have that episode in life that we're not really okay no
We're
matter
not
what
always
we do.
happy. We're not always successful. Hindi tayo palaging masaya.
Yes.
Hindi people will always see na sobrang happy natin. For example, Andy and I or all of us, Francis and Trixie, they might see na sobra tayong masaya, sobrang mga kalog-kalog and witty people tayo, but they don't know the strongest people on camera or nakikita nyo dyan is the weakest ones as well. Pag mag-isa na lang tayo. No? And I know marami pong mga mommies dyan na nasanay tayo na hindi tayo humihingi ng tulong, but know that there are still people around you who are really willing to help.
Yes. Just ask for help, no? Actually, the best people that you can count on are also the mothers like you because they understand. So
They are there in
you
your
just need to
shoes.
sit down with them and tell them how you feel. Not necessarily ask for any advice, but just the fact that someone can listen to you is already like a big help.
Exactly. Ako naman, I do agree with all of the points na sinabi ni Doc Lay and of course ni Trixie na kumbaga may mga tao talagang pure yung intention, yung tutulungan ka pa rin. But ako naman ay gusto ko ding ipaalala sa ating lahat na at the end of the day, you only have yourself as well. Okay? This is based on the experience that I have. Kumbaga, okay, marami tayong friends, but they also have their own struggles.
Exactly.
Even family, they cannot help us all the time. Kumbaga, may kanya-kanya tayong laban sa buhay. So, the only thing that you need to do, and you have to, even if you did not figure everything kung paano mong lulusutan yung problema, know that you only have yourself and that you need to protect yourself, especially your mental health.
Yes, oo.
Importante talaga, di ba, Doc Lay?
Yes.
So kumbaga, sometimes kasi yung pagiging vulnerable natin is parang ina-associate natin siya sa pagiging mahina. No. Again, it's okay not to be okay. And it's okay to cry if you want to cry. Because sometimes dito natin, mas nakikilala yung sarili natin kung hanggang saan nga ba yung kaya nating ibigay at kung yung mga bagay hindi natin na kailangan nating
and when to ask for help.
Yes, and when to ask for help. So, again, at the end of the day, you just have to be strong and kung ano mang mess sa buhay mo na pinagdadaanan mo, all the time may saturation point yan. It will end eventually.
Exactly.
You know the song from South Border? There's a rainbow after the rainbow.
Panahon niya talaga. Kanina pa yan eh.
Pero kinanta ko na talaga.
Pero as a host, naranasan nyo na mag-schedule ng iyak. Yung hindi ako pwede umiyak kasi may gig ako ngayon.
Parang the show must go on talaga yun.
Yes.
Diba?
Schedule lang iyak.
Hindi ako ganon.
Totoo yan.
Nung nasunugan kami, may gig ako nung Gabi Mars, diba?
Not actually, not only
kailangan
in
ko
hosting.
mag-host.
Not only in hosting, even in just, usual
Sa
job.
school, diba? Sa
I remember.
teacher ka.
The breakdown ka, di ba? Mamaya na.
Oo, nung nag-broken talaga ako, nagtuturo ang lola mo. So, hindi ka pwedeng umiyak sa harap ng bata, di ba? Nung pagka-break time talaga, tulo ang
Nag-cry ka sa
Ako, I had that experience. It was 2 years ago when I lost my grandmother.
Okay.
Naka-on air ako noon. Diba, midday jam ako from 9 a.m. to 12 in the afternoon. Tapos, I received the news around 11:30. Tapos, pa-wrap up na ako sa topic namin. Yung topic namin is, family and acceptance.
Oh my God. Very, timely.
So, chinika ko yung parang points ko, yung gusto kong i-opinion at yung advice ko sa mga tao. Then, the moment na nag-close ako ng mic, doon na siya bumuhos.
Humagulgol ka na.
I swear. So, kumbaga, hindi mo siya intentionally na kailangan mo, okay, mamaya ka na iiyak. Parang siya innate na siya sa'yo na okay, wag ka mo na magdrama, may trabaho ka, mukha kang pera. Ganon. Diba? So, the show must go on.
At saka, yung power of emotion talaga natin is, hindi agad yung mag-sink in sa'yo. May process pa. Hindi ka agad-agad na iiyak. Diba?
Ikaw nagbigay sa akin ng gig na yun eh. So, nung gig
So, kasalanan mo, kaya hindi siya nakaiyak agad.
I had to because she needed it.
I needed it. Nasunugan ko na tanghali.
She needed it.
Nung gabi kailangan kong
Judgmental ko
Sabi
yun.
kong gabi. Nung nakalimutan ko magpa-blow ng cake doon sa kliyente. Pakain na sila. Before we eat, let's go back first to sing happy birthday for the birthday celebrant.
Artista ka din talaga.
Oo.
Diba?
Tapos pagkatapos ng party, pauwi na ako. Doon ako nag-cry kaysa habang naglalakad sa Binmabot.
Yun talaga. There is always, talaga, a processing moment for everything. At saka in connection sa sinabi din ni Andy na, totoo naman yun, even if we have people around us who are willing to help, but you really have to pull through.
Compose
sa sarili
yourself.
mo talaga.
Yes.
Oo, kasi, but it's not a bad thing na kailangan mo talagang sanayin yung sarili mo,
Mag-schedule ng iyak.
Yes. And
Well, it's a good thing na there are people who would help you really. Genuinely. You're so lucky to have those kinds of people around you.
meron talagang time na kakailanganin mo talaga yun. And I'm just so proud of Andy for,
other
alam mo yun.
people are created for a reason. Diba? Kapag di mo na kaya, you need to have somebody to lift the load for you.
That's
as you
why
go,
they are
diba?
created for that moment.
Exactly.
Kasi alam mo stigma yan I just really want to take this opportunity kasi marami talaga not only Filipinos but actually around the world na they think na when we talk about mental health and the issues about this, especially yung mga nanay na nasa abroad, tayo ay, well, I'm not trying to be biased with the daddies out there, the fathers out there, but we know that the responsibility of a mother is really
bigger.
And hindi mo talaga kayang masukat. So you will really break down at some point. But, yun nga, hindi ka pwedeng magtagal dyan.
True.
You should know when to pull yourself up
Yeah.
and to continue living because marami sa'yong umaasa at may anak ka. Kasi it's a different story if you have a child already, And ano bang reason bakit tayo nag-abroad?
Para sa kanila.
Diba? And yes, of course, para din sa sarili natin. But we Filipinos, yung strong family ties natin talaga is sobrang, andon, that you really have to work for your family back home. Yes. Diba? Na kahit
walang-wala ka na.
Hindi nila alam na baka wala ka ng trabaho, hindi ka sumasahod, delayed ang sahod. They don't know that.
Nagkubos ka na lang for today.
But you have to, hindi alam, Indomie and itog lang tayo. Pero maganda tayo sa picture kasi siyang drama ball.
Teka lang, another question. How important is it to have a strong circle or to have the right people around you if you're like a single mom?
I will let Andy answer.
As a single mom, how important is it na tamang tao yung mga kasama mo?
Ako naman, hindi ko kailangan ng mga taong perfect talaga na para masabi kong strong circle. few friends but quality friends.
Yes, less
that's
is
it.
more.
Baka,
Naniniwala
and also
ako.
she's she shared it na parang very talaga siya, skeptical and picky when choosing kung sino talaga yung magiging member of her
Aloof.
circle.
I think that's one of the criteria
and we have to be
in.
proud of it. I
Lahat
mean,
tayo.
there's nothing to be ashamed of that.
Yeah.
Ako
Din.
naman.
Ganun
ikaw
din
na
ako.
go.
Yeah, ikaw muna.
Sige.
I mean, we
Well,
share the same sentiments.
yes.
Ganun din ako. I don't
At
just
saka
engage anybody.
the beauty of us being human is may iba talaga tayong eksena.
Yes.
May mga kanya-kanya tayong preference. Hindi tayo pwedeng pare-pareho. Otherwise, it's going to be boring.
Yeah, wala
Diba?
na kayong bagong pag-uusapan.
Exactly. And for me, ako, mostly 80% I am an extrovert. Pero, maraming time din na gusto ko talaga mag-isa lang din ako.
Nag-hibernate ka rin naman, Mars,
Madalas
diba?
din
May
ako
mga time na
mag-hibernate. Totoo.
ang text mo ngayon, ang reply ni Mars bukas na.
May
Minsan
ganun
next
talaga.
week, ganun.
Uy, sorry naman. Pero naman. Huy! Sorry.
Ako nag-hibernate ako after ng show.
diba?
Pero
Alam ni
it feels,
Pixie yan.
it feels good no
After ng
sometimes.
show,
Bukas
nag-hibernate
na yung
ako.
reply mo.
Parang
Kasi especially sa mga radio hosts, we were expected to be extrovert
Yeah.
all
All
the
the
time.
time, no? Pero nakakapagod minsan kumuda ako. Tapos
Kaya
after
nasasabihan
show,
akong may sapak talaga to si Andy. Kasi
Oo.
right after na i-off ko yung mic, wala na! Nawala na si Andy.
Nag-shift
ganun.
natin into another dimension.
Yes.
switch kami yan.
Oo. Eto may sapak din to si Francis. Charot.
Pero people should understand that
Yeah.
na we have our own personal talaga, 'di ba, preference and that they have to respect each one's privacy.
Yes.
Certain boundaries.
Uy, napakahalaga nun respecting
Yes.
someone else's privacy.
Totoo.
Kasi
And
kung
ako-
hindi ka ganun sa iba, what do you expect, di ba? You have to give something.
and some people they think na arte-arte naman ito, juicy-juicy sa kaibigan.
Pero ako, as an OFW mom, very important sa akin na yung tao sa paligid ko has the same vision. Kasi kapag hindi, like for example, if you don't have the same values and you don't have the same vision, bakit pa kayo ba magiging
Yes, Mars.
magkabarkada,
And
diba?
I just want to, I really want to add this na what I learned actually is kung ano daw yung nare-receive mong energy from other people, dapat ganun lang din yung ibinabalik
Totoo.
mo.
Yes.
I mean, we're not trying to be hypocrite here, but we're trying to be in the reality that what you give, dapat talaga is kung ano lang din yung nare-receive mo. At para at the end of the day, hindi parang nagbigay
Exhausting
ako.
sa side mo.
And you do not expect masasaktan ka talaga.
Oo. Ako, I'm proud of my circle kasi I have small circles na like
Big circles.
small.
Parang pakanta na siya doon.
Ito, yung
Small.
QCast, same vision kami when it comes to our crafts. Yan si Lay. Hindi man kami lagi magkasama niyan, pero we talk every day na parang ito yung mood ko
Ay,
ngayon,
sinabi niyo hindi na daw
Mars.
kayo magkaibigan.
Hello! Iba na! Binago na!
Yeah, my Toastmasters community na mahilig mag-aral.
Yeah.
They like to improve themselves when it comes to public speaking. Yung mga yon, it's very important. Kasi kapag ang mga kasama mo lagi lang negative.
At saka alam mo
laging
sino talaga yung pupuntahan mo.
Yeah.
You know how to categorize your group, di ba?
Kapag may mga issues ka na feeling mo, si Leila makakaintindi nito, doon ako sa doktor, kailangan
Nakapagod
ko na
naman
to.
talagang maging
Ay, siya
ganito.
takot
palagi.
Alam ko na lang pala.
Kaya pala siya nagwawalwal minsan.
Hindi pagkatapos makinig na parang,
I'm curious.
na ako.
Kasi diba,
Kasalanan ng mga labubu friends ko yun.
offline you mentioned that it's something that you have to let go. Para may outlet ka.
Totoo.
Over the
Hindi mo
weekend.
pwedeng dalhin.
Is it what you do to
What do
just
you
get
mean?
rid of the stress?
Walwalera ka ba daw?
Pinaganda niya lang. Well, walwalera po talaga ako. And I'm not a perfect person. Pero, not because you see someone out doesn't mean that person is also the same around her.
Yeah,
Totoo.
Diba?
Exactly.
For me, for example, I go out with my friends. Gusto ko ng I love music talaga. And hindi naman talaga ako na nagiging wasted or something. Like, I just sit there, I see my friends, I listen to the music. I love music so much, but that doesn't mean that you have to judge me because you see me in a certain place.
Exactly.
Hello, doktor, dami mo na bigyan ng advice, tapos i-judge ka nila. Wag na
Tapos
sila.
libre nga lang, di ba? Uy, bakit ka naman
Taka lang ha. Libre yung first session ko sa kanya.
Hindi naman. What I'm trying to say is, tayo dapat talaga, we should know when to say the word.
Yes.
No?
Totoo.
Hindi tayo talaga Hindi talaga dapat tayo nag-judge kung ano lang yung nakikita natin. But, alam mo naman, we people, we are very
Never
judgmental
judge.
talaga in our...
Never judge and be kind all the
Yes.
time.
Yes.
All the time.
And
Yun
it
naman
won't,
talaga.
it won't cost you to be kind.
It's free to be kind, by the way.
Diba? Ay, may palakpak na naman.
Lagi namin sinasabi ni Trixie. Actually, all the
Hindi,
time.
but alam mo, hindi naman maiiwasan talaga that we are mean sometimes. Minsan kasi may mga may mga triggering factors na bigla tayong may nasasabi even if we don't mean it. Diba?
Ako
Kaya-
sa akin, hindi ko gustong gamitin yung mean na words. Sometimes we have to be practical. This is the emotions that you're giving to me, then I'm going to return it
Well,
back
it
to you.
depends.
Parang
Yun nga.
ganon.
Oo, depende talaga
Kumbaga,
sa mga
you're just being
tao.
practical of your emotions, hindi lang sa pera.
Mean, real, ako objective.
Oo.
Yes.
Ganun ako.
Subjective ka ba, Mar?
Ano yun?
Parang may iba naman
Pwede
ako.
ka ba yun, Ben?
Parang ano lang, rhyming
Subject,
word.
verb agreement.
Rhyming word.
Yoko
Predicate
ng ganyan.
yung palalabasin mo yung pusa. Predicate.
Diba?
Hindi kasi may maraming ganun kasing mga instances na parang kahit hindi mo siya gustong sabihin, nasasabi mo talaga siya,
Yeah,
di ba?
yeah.
Di ba iwasan?
Kaya nga, may palagi akong sinasabi sa mga during consultation na we really have to be careful talaga sa mga sinasabi natin and iniisip natin, ipaprocess mo muna talaga siya. At hindi na tayo bata for that.
Yes,
Diba?
yes. Especially
we
na
have to be
at our
aware
age,
and
diba?
careful. Kasi yun nga, parang even kahit one word lang might break or make someone.
Totoo.
That's true.
Diba?
That's true. It's really nice to hear thoughts from these young ladies once again.
Yes.
But we have to close the show right
Very
now.
young.
So maybe your final shoutouts to those watching right now. Sige, munahin muna si anyone.
Ikaw na ta, Andy. Sige.
I just would like to say hi to Gab. Ayan, si Gab Concepcion and
Yes,
the
he's
Concepcion
watching right
family. Hello. And yung pamilya ko po sa Pilipinas. Nasa TV na ako.
Welcome po.
Rendon family,
Yeah.
of course, Lozano family, and to Baste, ayan, to Kyrie, to Clay, at sa lahat ng mga nakakilala sa akin.
Yung mga Rendon, yung mga Rendon, saan siya sa Pilipinas?
Cebu.
Cebu.
O, hindi pa yung Rendo na kilala ko.
I've been there. White
Yung
Sand?
Labrador ba yun?
Oo. I love Cebu. It's
You know
one
what?
of
I
my
was
favorite
disappointed when I
places.
got to the place where they have this first cross, yung Magellan's Cross.
Yes, Lapu-Lapu.
There's not much to see there pala. Pupunta
Exactly!
Nagsisi ka
Ano lang
ba?
yun? Landmark lang yun.
Nagsisi ka, no?
Ito naman kasi landmark, ginawang tourist spot.
Chismoso kasi siya. Chismoso kasi siya.
Diba?
Pagpasok niya, ay, wala pala.
Oo, pero pag pumasok ka na talaga, especially sa south area ng Cebu, ay nako,
I enjoy the beaches.
Gusto ko doon yung Kalangaman Island ba yun? Sa inyo ba yun? O iba na yata yun?
ba yun, Ben? Hindi ko alam
Pero hindi ko
The
kasi yun
bridge
yung south and
connecting-
north.
Ano nga yung bridge connecting the
CC
Mactan
Lex?
Beach ba yun? Yung malaking
Mactan Beach siya tayo.
Mactan,
no?
Fernan, Marcelo.
Yeah, yeah.
Oo.
Yes.
oo.
Yeah. I went to one beach there na parang white
And
sand.
your,
Kaya
yung
nakalimutan ko na
longganisa.
Sino kasama mo?
Ayan, binawian ka tuloy.
Ano ba yun? Yung kinuwento mo sa amin last time.
Yung may bangs ba to?
Na short hair?
Ay, hindi. Parang si Dora naman yan.
Na may backpack?
Explore din pala.
Na may backpack?
Yung mixer.
Nasisira na yung barometer.
Sasabog yung mixer.
Yung barometer.
How about you, Lay?
Ano ba nga yun?
Shout
For-
out.
Yes,
Yeah.
definitely. I would like to thank my colleagues as well. Yung mga sama ko, yung mga teachers and assistant teachers namin. My Arabic colleagues, thank you so much for being with me for quite a long time. My Frank Events family, especially my Ate Says, my mother who's here, yung kapatid ko po, welcome to Qatar, my father in the Philippines, my family, the Bagsik family, the Santos family back home, and my Labubu friends, DJ Marscat, Labubu friends, oo. My titas of Qatar, Nicole, Ate Blue, and Angel. Yung mga inaanak ko dyan, yung mga inaanak, andito na si Nina. Finally! Natupad na yung pinapangarap nating makatungtong sa entablado. Sana mabigyan tayo ng TV mamaya.
Yes!
Oo. And,
Inuwi yung TV ng
yung,
Boss Gio.
oo, yung mga client po
Ano,
namin.
nag-walk out na yung host.
Oh, ito, ganyan talaga yan eh.
Okay.
Pero yung mga clients po namin, mga repeat clients namin to Frank Events, diba? Maraming salamat po. And I would like to, okay lang
Wow!
Ano?
Wala bang cash nito?
Pero
Ben?
ba black din yun sa akin? Choosy kasi ako eh.
Walang cash nito.
Mm-mm.
Uy, thank you so much.
Gusto
And of
ko yung
course,
black
to,
din.
Boss Gio
Mapapalitan na kayo.
Pares.
Wait lang, hindi pa ako.
Parang
Hindi pa ako
iba
tapos.
naman.
Hindi pa ako tapos. Saglit lang.
Bilisan mo.
Asa na ba ako? Kasi kinakat mo ko.
Kumain ng Pares.
Nawala ako tuloy. Yun nga, to our repeat clients, maraming salamat po. And I would like to announce also, we just opened our new business. Noipi Business Services. I know we are offering help to those who would like to make their business legal. 100% Pinoy ownership. If you need help, we are here to help
so business
you.
formation.
Yes.
Okay.
So yung mga, alam niyo na yung mga, if you are kind of afraid in a way na hindi kayo legal na nagtitinda, naggagawa ng business, you know, in Qatar, everything has to be legal.
And any kind of business ba yan, Lay? Or
any
there's
kind of
restrictions?
business.
I see.
And definitely, ano naman nila, the ministry will let us know if they will approve it or not. So yun po, thank you so much. Please, yun nga, support our business. And maraming salamat po. And I would like to shout out my daughter. I love you so much, Safia. And mom is always proud of you. Happy Mother's Day to all of you.
And of course, hindi ko na makalimutan. Hi to my LLQ Lifestyle Magazine. Ayan. This month na ang awarding dito sa Qatar. So
pag hindi pwede
good
si
luck.
Candy, pwede niyo po akong isingin.
Wag na siya. Magugulo kayo. Ako lang po yung dapat na host ha. Ay, si Trixie wala na. Okay,
bilang balingkinita naman na po ang person. So yung mga naghahanap ng mga model dyan, pwede na po kaming lumaban. Gusto mo na ba lumaban?
Ayoko pa, more on hanggang mukha lang ako.
Sige, ikaw na lang mag-voice over. Ako nalalaban sa
Yes.
katawan.
Oo.
Okay. Si Trixie po sa buhok. Si
Pero
Francis din
sana
po sa
ha,
voice over.
hindi lang hot dapat yung bibigay, yung kape. May
Malapit
cash.
na.
Kasi sa Wawawi, nagbibigay sila ng 500 pesos, babe. Ba't
Hindi
wala
pa daw
ka?
ikaw sumasayaw ng
Wala
ano.
pa ba?
Kailangan
Milagring pasok!
May pagiling-giling dapat.
Alam mo, jacket to.
Giling-giling.
Bakit sa Pinas yung election meron?
Hoy, wag ka. First time nila na pamigay
Don't
ng
get
cup.
there.
Very
First time.
April Joy. Hindi April Boy. Very April.
Thank you so much. And please do follow QCast on Facebook.
Thank you, Francis and Trixie. And
you
once
so
again,
much, guys.
follow QCast.
Kami na mag-close.
Sige,
This
go na.
is it. This is Dr. Lay together
This is
with
RJ Andy.
We are signing on.
Goodbye na kayo. Huwag na kayong chumika.
Thank you so much for having us here. Baliktad.
Oh.
It's been a really fun afternoon. Maraming salamat po. This has been
Yes.
Francis.
And this is Trixie.
Boss Gio, thank you so much.
Salamat,
Boss
boss.
Gio, thank you so much for the venue. And again,
Yes.
Andy and Lay, maraming salamat.
Yeah.
Happy birthday to
Mabuhay.
birthday.
Oy, wait lang. Gusto ko po. Sorry.
Atabi, Chi!
Tapos ito. I would like to support our friend Amjad, who has his own travel agency, Boulevard Travel. So to those who would like to book their tickets, plan their trips, so please do not hesitate to contact Amjad Boulevard
Yung totoo,
Travel.
magkano bayad sa'yo? Kasi
dami
nilaban mo
na.
talaga.
Hindi ko nga alam, wala naman talaga. Sayang yung opportunity. Thank you, that's it.
Salamat
Okay.
po.
Hey, last shoutouts. Hi to Boys Century Dabalos Clarin. Hi Inday Elibella.
Oh, hi! Listener from the Philippines.
Francis, sorry na, may birthday pa lang
Go ahead.
isang
Ang dami mong hanas!
Hi,
May birthday
Gigi,
yung
by the
isang
way.
friend. Batiin mo naman.
Michelle.
Pero
Sino?
kanta. Si Mikmik. Mikmik. Batiin ka daw ni Andy.
Ika is
Happy birthday.
also
Kantahan
one.
mo.
Happiest birthday, Mikmi. Anong kakanta ko?
Happy birthday to
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
Haba? Happy birthday.
Blending natin, blending.
Okay. Ang hirap.
Laban ha.
Happy birthday sa'yo, Glory May, aka Mikmik.
Yeah.
Ayun.
Ang babaeng walang buto sa Qatar. Happy birthday, Ma.
Happy
Alright.
birthday. Thank you so much, guys. Sa uulitin.
buong oras
Kung
ko tama
uulit
lang
pa
ako ng
talaga
tawa.
tayo.
Pero it's very uplifting
Yeah.
yung feeling, no? Walang
Yeah.
ayun. Gutom na
That's
talaga
true.
ikaw.
Huwag ka na sumika.
Tayo. Ay, ka na ba? Buti nga, hindi na tinanong yung ibang tanong.
I can say hi to Gigi.
Ay, Sir Greg. Sir Greg is also
Hi, Sir
watching.
Greg. Sir Greg, hindi mo ba ako
Sino ba yan?
pinicturan ha? Ito yung pinicturan mo, ba't wala ako?
Bakit? Ako nag-endorse yan. Beshi!
Kainis to. Uy, dapat ako! Sir
Anong
Greg,
pangalan ng
sinasabi
studio?
ko sa'yo.
Anong pangalan ng studio kung alam mo?
Greg's Image Photography.
Hindi,
Greg's
Greg's
Photography.
Image Studio. Di ko
Wala.
marunong.
Binago na.
Ay, ganun ba? Kaya tayo ayaw i-shoot eh.
Sir Greg ha? Oh.
Thank you so
Once
much.
again, thank you so much for
Uy, mga
QCast.
nakalimang thank you na siya, babe.
Hey, say hi to
Bye-bye.
Michelle Bucho, by
Di
the
pa rin
way.
yung ano pa siya
He's
matapos.
also watching, and to
And
Ika.
Ika.
Ako na po mag-turn off the microphone. Thank you, guys.
Thank you guys. See you again.
Bye. Bye, everyone.
Bye,
Thank you.
everybody. You have a great weekend. Bye, guys.
Bye.
Experience the rich flavor and aroma of our healthy coffee blend. Our coffee is specifically crafted to enhance mental alertness while enticing your taste buds. The blend features Arabica and Robusta beans, combined with organic barley grass sourced from New Zealand. This newest flavor and unique blend provides a revitalizing and strengthening experience, giving you the energy you need to tackle your day with enthusiasm. Savor the flavor of JC Barley Coffee and make your mornings even better.
Paano i-download ang Tinbo app? I-scan ang Tinbo QR code ng SGE Events. Pagkatapos ma-scan at mag-load ang page, i-click ang Install button. Pagkatapos ma-install ang app, i-open ito sa inyong phone. I-register ang mobile number mo dito sa Qatar at gumawa ng password. Pwedeng pumili kung via Google, Facebook, or mobile number para mag-proceed. Para sa demo na ito, pipiliin natin ang Continue with Google. Ituloy ang registration at i-fill out lahat ng impormasyon na kailangan, gaya ng pangalan, mobile number, email address at password. I-type ulit ang password. I-check ang box ng acknowledgement at i-click ang Proceed. Makakatanggap ka ng one-time password or OTP sa email na ginamit sa pag-register. I-check ang inbox or sa spam message section ng inyong email ang OTP. Paalala, may mga issues pa na hindi natatanggap ang OTP. Kung sakaling ang OTP ay hindi matanggap, i-report po ito sa Tinbo team. Yun lang po. Maraming salamat!